Tell me what's going on with your back.
I'm having acute pain in the lower lumbar region, a band of pain across my back. When I sit for long period of times, it stiffens up. If I'm driving, working on the computer, if I lay in the bed for a long time, it stiffens up.
So how long this been going on?
Originally, I got hurt 10 years ago, but over the last year, I had an incident playing golf where I had a spasm across the bottom of my back, knocked me to the ground. Maybe 3 months later, was feeling better, and I had to move furniture for my sister. She was evacuating her house. It's been hurting this whole year. I've been so severe now, it's affecting my walk, posture, and sleep. I can't find a comfortable position to sleep. The problem with my back started to cause my body to be out of
compensating.
I'm having problems with the left ankle, my shoulder, playing golf, my elbows hurting, my shoulders, just having a lot of issues. But it seemed like it all stemmed from that one.
How much pain do you feel from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency.
Well, I'm probably in a range. I have a high tolerance to pain, but I'm probably in a 5 range.
5 range. Do you feel constant pain?
Yeah, pretty much constant pain. The constant pain is on a lower level, say a 3. But if I start to move or get up out of the bed by walking, you can tell.
You're gonna do that
Get
straight.
up and down.
That's why you slouch to
My abs are weak. My core strength is not that bad. I can walk through a treadmill for an hour. 3 miles an hour walking uphill. So it's not a core strength issue, but I'm having some kind of tissue or tendon, a nerve issue that makes it difficult to get upright.
What kind of treatment you had before for this issue?
I've been getting chiropractic treatment, massages, and doing ice 40 minutes 3 times a day, and jacuzzis after the ice. So I've been doing a combination of chiro and hydro, just from trying to loosen everything up. Because that's what I feel like in the old days when you lifted too much weight and you caused all your tendons to tighten up. That's what I feel like. The tendons in my back are just too tight. I can't seem to
get it loose.
Crack and stretch and get my spine loosened. I also use a roller. None of it is right.
You did a lot. Okay, we're gonna do ASTR on your back. Your back pain is like a band in the lower back?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the motion that aggravate your symptoms so we can test that after the treatment. So you said lying on your back. Lie on your back.
Lying down in bed.
Okay. How much pain?
Now, it's not so much pain as the high tolerance to pain. So it goes from 5 to 7. So when I get here,
okay. That's one of the. What the other?
The thing is really is when I walk.
Okay.
Normally, I walk.
You're bending when you walk. Let's come this way.
I'm normally taking force my core up. But right now, it hurts so much.
Yeah, you're definitely bending. Turn
now,
out.
Laying down and getting up, I feel better than before. But it's sore. But you can understand what.
Turn around and we can see you tilting forward. You normally have a good posture. Let's do some range of motion. Let me know when you feel pain. Slide your hands down, your legs, and bend forward.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Let me know when the pain increases. So the pain starts by your ankle. Okay. Right, backward. Going backward. Extension. Yep. How much pain?
Well, 6.
Don't aggravate it.
I'm accustomed to when I feel something. Stretching, breathing, stretching.
You're gonna cause more injury this way. We don't want to aggravate symptoms. Twist to the right. How's that?
That's not too bad. If I get wider, I can twist more. I feel it when I'm under full extension.
Go to the other side.
I feel it more.
You feel it more? So
from doing that,
we gotta work on your golf swing.
There.
Side bend left and right.
Now there, I can start feeling that in the lower back.
The lower back. Okay. Other side.
Man, see, it's practice.
You twist it. All right. Everything we do should not aggravate your symptoms. You feel it's both sides the same.
It'll be worse on one side, the next day worse on the other side. But it's more towards from the center radiating to the right, a little less on the left.
Do you feel comfortable lying on your stomach?
Lying on my stomach feels okay, but when I'm flat on my back, it seems to hurt. And
lie on the side. Lie on the left side. Hello, between your knees.
First time ever I had a massage laying on the floor was worse. I had a therapist I've been going to for years, and she's good. No, she's really good. She knows my body, but it was the first time in years I finished the massage, and it was worse. I felt worse.
Massage, based on the study, is temporary pain relief, addressing the source of the problem.
I've been hurting so much I can't train, so my stomach is getting weaker. I haven't exercised in a month.
Can you tell us about your sports background?
In high school, I played four sports: football, basketball, baseball, and golf. Professionally, I played football and golf. I still play golf now. That's the only thing I can play. I spent more time in my football career in the hospital. Also, after my sports career from a professional standpoint was over, I played city basketball and softball. I'm always bowling and golf. I play golf 4 or 5 times a week until the last month. It's been too painful to play.
Yeah. Okay. So you remember the fascia we talked about, the Spider-Man suit wrapping the entire body?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm working on the superficial fascia now. I just released it, that was tight here. So it should move like this. This is a good mobility here. Feel the tightness here?
Yes.
Comparing to this. And
Right.
you can see it in the camera here. This is normal fascia movement. Here, this is not moving at all. So I'm gonna release it with ASTR instruments to see how long it will take to release it. Feel the mobility now?
Yeah.
You feel
Better.
it's easy to release it with that instrument. You know that's painful, okay? So your pain is like this,
Exactly.
and down to your glutes.
If the pain is right there, sometimes it'll go in here, but not too much. I thought it was the glute minimus, so I started doing glute minimus exercises, but the glute minimus isn't bothering me.
Well,
because
it's not gonna break the scar tissue or release the fascia.
Got you.
Okay. You feel the tightness here?
Yes.
Okay. So I can release it now. Okay. And you have hernia surgery.
Yeah.
Any pain on what I'm doing? It's okay. How does this feel?
It feels good. I feel a little pressure against the skin, but it's not any pain.
Relax your arm. Okay. Feel the tightness here. Okay. But sure it's not painful. Okay. How does this feel?
It's amazing that something that has such a light touch to it can do so much. You understand?
Yeah.
I've been trained a different way my whole life. No pain, no gain. I'm trying to stretch my way and exercise my way out of hurt.
Yeah, I'm not really fan of this philosophy because I think about it this way. God gave us the pain signal for a good reason, okay? It's similar to your car check engine signal, okay? So if you have the signal light on, that's indicating you need to check your engine, there's 2 options you have. One is cover the check engine signal and just drive.
Until it blows up.
And 2, just fix it and the light will disappear.
Right.
That's why I disagree with just push the pain. You need to know why you're feeling pain.
Exactly.
If there's nothing wrong, you should not feel pain. But if we push the pain, that might cause tear, more damage through philosophy. But it should be like no soreness, no gain. When you do any training, if you did not feel you're working your muscle, you're not working enough. Like feeling the soreness from workout.
That's a different kind of pain too. It feels good. 'Cause once you start breaking the lactic acid up, you don't feel the pain anymore. You realize the muscle is that way because it's constricted. 'Cause there's no, you're so full of blood. And normally they're flaccid like mine. I have no
Yeah.
blood in them right now. But when you're full of blood, the minute that you start stretching and exercising, that pain goes away. There's a difference between
Sure.
a good sore from exercising
And pain.
and feeling pain.
Okay. It's gonna feel cold, okay? I'm gonna work on your scar tissue. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
You feel this? You feel this bump here?
Yeah.
That's a scar tissue. So you have a marble feeling. You feel that?
Yeah, I feel it. I've been
Yeah.
trying to get it out with the roller for the last year.
It doesn't work. Yeah, I think 1 year is enough for a trial. Well, we should try something different.
Look, Doc, I left Studio City in Irvine.
Yeah.
On the 5 with repairs. It took an hour and a half because I knew I had to do something
Yeah.
different. I knew there has to be a better way. Unfortunately, I thank God that my parents get me to be an open-minded individual.
Yeah,
And
sure.
to think that things are not wrong, they're different. And by having an open mind, that you can try different things. There's cultures that have been around for 5,000, 6,000 years practicing different kinds of forms of medicine. We've been around 240 years. Western medicine doesn't have all the answers. But there are individuals who have taken it, like yourself, that get wise to study the human condition and find better ways for it to work. We believe nothing beats a failure but a try. I saw people get pain, get relief. I watched them with my own eyes. I'm a professional actor, so I know these people with on stage. These were people with pain.
I cannot
Okay.
get 170 actor to act treatments.
No, because first of
I
all,
don't
you're not
have
gonna
money.
pay.
I
And
don't
that
have
thing, you ain't gonna pay them. I make $2,500 a day. You ain't paying me to come and show up.
No. No.
I understand the physiology of what's happening, why it works. Remember, I have a guy I worked with when I was playing football. A lot of times when you watch a football game, you'll see a player go down and trainers run out on the field. What they're doing is they have a specialist realigning the ligaments. That's all they do is put the ligament back in place. For athletes at that level, they have so much muscularity and adrenaline flow. Once they put the ligament back, they'll finish playing. Now, 4 hours later, they're going to feel it way worse. But this guy's been working on me for years. But it's painful. I'm like, you shouldn't have to go through pain for healing. I've been reading more about Chinese theories. And even with acupuncture, acupuncturists will tell you if they're giving you acupuncture and it starts hurting, they're going to stop because they realize there's an
inflammation. This is pure science. What I'm doing. It's based on the healing cycle. It's scar tissue.
But I can feel like raisins in the bumps when you're going down like this. I can feel you pouring over like black driver hand over bumps in the road.
So it's basically if the medical provider, if they understand the healing cycle, scar tissue is part of our survival. So when we have external cuts, our body has to build the scar tissue to heal.
Right.
Our body does not build the scar tissue. It's openly susceptible.
Right. It's infection, and that's what kills more people. Right. Pathogens that come from the air is what kills more people. An open infection, an open wound will kill you faster than anything.
Yeah.
Because it gets into your blood, it poisons you, kills you.
The same thing happened internally. Any accident, trauma, poor posture, or surgery, people do not see it, and doctors do not visualize it. We can prove it with palpation with the instrument. You can feel the bumps.
I guarantee if you put an infrared on the body, sure, before you do, you can see the heat building up from where a blockage is.
Correct.
And I've been trying to get the masseuse to get that one knocked out for about 6 months.
You cannot get it with the hand. I feel bad for her. It's hard to breathe.
I feel bad for me. No, I go to the table. She's using her feet.
Oh, no. Be careful. I don't think it's a good idea. Feet and jumping and...
We're already trying something.
Yeah, make sure you have health insurance, life insurance when you do that. Don't try that at home. It's very easy with those instruments to break the scar tissue.
You feel it right now. It doesn't feel painful. I can feel the pressure. I can feel the knot moving. It doesn't hurt. I can feel it, but it doesn't hurt. There's a difference. As opposed to what I've been doing, having a wife apply pressure.
And then, let's test again and see how you feel. The testing was lying on your back and sitting up. That's one of them.
Oh, wow. It's nice and warm. I can already feel some space in the back. Okay. I'm up a lot farther before the pain started. And it's a lot less painful.
Faster. What happened?
Before, when I first came up, it would start hurting. Now, I'm able to move a lot more.
Okay. Let me do one more thing. See if we can get this without pain. Is it okay to work on your stomach?
Do whatever you got to do, Doc. I'm here to get help.
You said you had herniation and mesh here. I want to make sure everything is loose. Make sure it's not painful, okay? And so a lot of people would think, like, why you work on the stomach while the pain in the back?
Because this front and back is connected.
And if you have a surgery or, like, especially C-section patient, they usually have a lot of tightness, scar tissue here. And you see the tightness here, the scar tissue here, actually.
In the back, right.
And that's usually...
For every action is an opposite and equal reaction. Yeah. Body is unilateral. It's 2 equal halves. If you do something on one piece, it's going to affect something. As long as my legs are not functioning properly, the knee and the ankle, I'm always going to come back to having problems because you're out of balance. When I'm moving, I'm out of balance. See, that doesn't hurt. It actually feels good. The tendon is so tight, I can feel you squeezing it, release it.
Beautiful. That's good. That's the goal. I'm doing release with ASTR instrument.
Feels a lot better. It's amazing that you went right there.
Yeah.
I've been feeling like my stomach is going to burst.
Yeah, the tightness is making it contract like this.
See, that hurts a little. No, it's okay. But it hurts in a good way.
How does that feel now?
Yeah, a lot of
compared to this side that we did not work on. It's a little bit right here. Oops, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Make sure it's not painful, okay?
No, it didn't hurt.
Okay. So I'm just doing deep release. Okay. I use my hand for assessment. And
Instrument
the release to see my hand.
I had a good friend who was a chiropractor for 20 years. He was my chiropractor. And then the guy doing chiropractic work on me was his assistant. He had to retire. because the manipulation on his hands. After 20 years, his name was Jamie, and Jamie was one of the top. He did a lot of physiology, physical stretching, and relaxation therapy with his patients. He had great hands, but he destroyed his
I
hands.
feel bad for her because, and that's one, like, when I started to work on an instrument, like, was the second year from practicing because my hand was killing me.
Right.
And I was like, I cannot do that for 4 or 5 years. And it's not as accurate as an instrument because you get tired. So either you help patient or hurt yourself. So you choose one. Sorry. Let's cover it, and I want you to sit up and tell me how you feel.
That's better.
Yeah? Yeah?
That's a lot better. Just a tiny bit. Now it's almost like the gate is.
Almost, yeah.
I can still feel a little bit.
You feel
Just
sweat.
a little bit. Right?
How much from 0 to 7?
It was 7 hours.
So what do you feel?
I feel a little bit in the core and then a little bit on the back.
It's been here, and you can relax. You can do a lot of work here in the front more than the back. Is that too much?
No. Now, question. If you're doing it and I'm feeling pain,
We want to work on your proliferation stage.
Go with it.
Cause inflammation. Yeah, feel that? Did anyone work on your stomach?
never.
That's why it's fix it.
Last since I've had the hernia surgery.
When did you have the surgery?
That was 15 years ago.
I had a lot of patients like that. Everybody focus on the back, and they leave and the front because
It's only the last couple of years that I got fat. Before I had abs, I used to train all the time. I got tired of exercising 4, 5, 6 hours a day. It didn't make sense to me. No. I can feel the scar tissue breaking up. I can actually feel
that break it. That's scar tissue.
like right there on your
You're very intricate to your body. That's good. And that's good. The problem when we release it with this instrument, the design and the material make it easy to break it fast.
You can feel it. It's amazing. It's just, it doesn't really hurt. I can do way more than that. It's just certain spots that you hit. It is tender. It's amazing.
You feel that crunchy? Yeah. It's very normal to have scar tissue after any surgery. Part of healing. The problem is when you have too much scar tissue. So instead of the muscle act like a rubber band when it's contracted and relaxed, it does this. The scar tissue, it's like a knot in a rubber band. So when the muscles start to contract, it does not stretch much. And that causes restriction in the range of motion, compensating your back. And if it's too much, it could compress on nerve artery, mimic some nerve pain. And we see that frequently with patients like sciatica and stuff like that. Everybody look in the back,
Right.
but they ignore the scar tissue
And makes a
very
lot
good
of
amount of lumbar patient. It's not the spine; it's the scar tissue and back compressing.
I have a stress fracture, what they call turf toe, playing on after turf. That toe rarely cracks. It's not normal for my
Now we're moving fast. I tried to show off.
to activate the muscles a lot.
Yeah, I was at to stand up. I'm gonna get the walk too.
Yeah.
Look at standing.
Go back.
Very fine.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. I know when we walk because I had
I hope it's faster now.
That's my normal walking speed, but I know my normal gait. When I walk heel to toe, I walk heel to toe because I'm supposed to. I can still feel just a tiny
Tightness.
nothing before compared to I couldn't stand up.
So bending your by your ankle. Let's try it again and see how's that.
A little bit here.
Tightness or pain?
Just a little tightness, a little tight. And then going down here, I can go all the way to the floor.
That's beautiful. Get the whole thing down to the floor. Beautiful. That's good. How was that? What do you think about ASTR treatment?
I should have been here a year ago.
All right. Thank
I
you.
feel much better. Just a little tightness, but no pain.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.